Hi, today in front of me Huawei Nova 11i and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first, open the phone application and then tap on the right upper corner to the three dots. Tap to block section. Here click on the settings icon on the right upper corner and tap to block list. Here you'll see all of the block numbers on your blacklist. Just to remove them from here, you should hold it for a while and you could select all of the numbers and just tap here to remove and confirm your action by click to remove button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.